Yawaite Noira. We are Tahiti Mana. I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. Hey!
Noera, Noera, Papa Noera. Haere mai, haere mai.
We're going to be teaching you a very famous Christmas song called Papa Noera. You might recognize the Jingle Bells tune. It's just Tahitian words to it. Okay, so the song starts with Papa Noera, which comes straight from French. Papa Noel, which is Santa Claus in English. So Papa Noera, we repeat that a few times. Okay, then it's Haere mai ite hapira. It's a school, you know. So usually we say come to our school to Santa Claus. So the words are gonna be Papa Noera, repeat it. Haere mai ite hapira. And then we're gonna just switch to, you know, we want him to come to our house. House in Tahitian is fare. So we're gonna say haere mai again, come. I to'u mai fare, house. Haere mai I to'u fare. Alright? Who's ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Noira. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other version where we say Haere mai I to'u fare. You guys ready? Okay, we want him to come to our home, right? Yes, we do. Here we go.
Haere mai, to'u fare.
All I
I
hear,
to'u fare.
all I hear is "Eh, howdy, howdy."
Hey, dua. Yawaite Noira, Yaunanat Mat Heiti Api from Tahiti Mana.